Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CrushOn AI app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store on your phone. Now go ahead and look for the search icon, which is right beside Arcade on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar, then type in CrushOn AI and tap on search. Once you do that, you're gonna see an icon with a heart shape and written CrushOn AI friend chat. Now right beside that icon, you're gonna see get download installer backup option. Tap on it, then your phone will start downloading CrushOn AI app. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.